What is up, everybody? It is me, and today. So I couldn't really record while I was doing this, but that I sneezed, but I lost it. So, yeah. I did not create these. I downloaded them. Also, you guys can go download my stuff, which I'll show whenever I get on Sims 4, because yeah, I have to film when I'm doing this, because if I don't, the screen gets really big, so yeah. Wait, the screen gets really big. No, the screen gets really big. I gotta make my screen a little smelly, so I can actually exit the game. So I can actually exit video. Okay. So, yeah. Now I'm going to exit the game. Okay, now I'm gonna have to exit the game. Okay, hold on. Okay, I made my screen just a little bit smaller. But I don't know if this is small enough. So, yeah. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. I've had way too much pizza tonight. Okay, Street View. Oh, no. And I can't move it up. Oh, yes I can. Okay, hello, yay! I can actually exit the game and stuff. So it makes the screen a little bigger, so. Sorry, I do that when I'm bored. Oh, here we go. Yep. Sims 4. The Sims 4. I wish I had like cats and dogs right here. But I mean, yeah, they tried. I like it. And it would kind of be much better if they had cats and dogs right under it. The Sims 4, cats and dogs. Ow. It's actually pretty loud, so my turn. And up just a little bit, yeah. But down. Here we go. Don't forget to keep your pet's seed bowl filled and fill belly. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's not my. This is my other one. So okay. The orange cat is Obby. The other cat is Molly. The Yorkie's Coco. Yeah. And that's pretty much me, Obby, Molly, Coco, Cammy, and Chloe. Chloe's the one with the bandana. So yeah, I'm gonna play there later. But this is the Valentines. Now, these two dogs, I did not create myself. I actually downloaded them. So, whoever made them, congratulations. This is mine. It's really bad. So I said, I hope you like this family. I know I didn't put much time into it, but I was lazy. So yeah, enjoy! So yeah, y'all guys can download this. You can, I don't know what I was thinking. Again, the description says I was lazy, so yeah. I made patches, a little colorful, and then I made bones with 2 different color eyes. Yeah. And the one I downloaded was, yeah, sorry. Oops. here. The Valentines. So yeah. It says mixed breed, German Shepherd, Valentine's Day, Valentine, heartbreak, sad. Yeah. So I love them. They're so cute. It's Valentine. Valentine is a female. She is smart, adventurous, I guess you can say, and friendly. This is Heartbreak. He is a male. He is a she's a German Shepherd. He's a German Shepherd. He's aggressive, snobby, and however you pronounce that. Yeah. So those are the ones I downloaded. And now they live here with me. I didn't change anything about them, so yeah. I couldn't really tell if the Valentine, she has a bow tie. The Valentine. And Heartbreak is just sad. You can just look how sad he looks in the picture. He looks so depressed. I know it's not really the right wise. Oh. Just look at him. Just look at him. Valentine was getting hearts earlier, so when they were both hanging out. So yeah. I would like to see how their pup would turn out. But I mean, yeah. Also, he hates walks. He literally hates walks. See? Snobby. Snobby. Heartbreak is a snobby dog. They really can't. They really change their. Yeah. It means he doesn't like to go on walks or anything. She cooks. I should get going now. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you later. Awesome. I don't know what happened. See, look, aggressiveness. Heartbreak is an aggressive dog. They will be more hostile. To other around them. Yeah. So he pretty much attacked Catherine a couple minutes ago. Then I was like, no, Heartbreak, what are you doing? Yeah. Can we go? Use choices. Friendly. Let's brush you. Cause yeah, that's not good. Get to know. Let's get to know you.
Yashona and a herd.
It literally sounded like she just said it hurt. He's so cute. My brain. Valentine over here, like, oh yeah, I just took over your spot. Let's be friendly to Valentine. Oh, we can't be friendly to Valentine? Oh, let's be friendly to Heartbreak. Excuse me? That's not Heartbreak, that's Valentine. See? She'll probably get hearts later. She says so. Oh, he has a heart. Okay, sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. They're so cute. I love them. She likes to hear his feet. Syntax. Cannot see what she says. Let me see. Sorry. Where is it? Can I really see what she said? Turn phone off. Yeah. You literally are walking around like you need to be. Why are you just staring at a blank TV? Turn the TV on. Literally, dude, what are you doing? He's like, I took over your spot. She's looking at him like, he watched you. Okay, that's good to know. He's like, did you just sit down? Ooh, Stevie. What are we watching? Is that a cooking show? He's like, screw you. I don't like cooking. She's like, you're gonna have a getaway. I love him. He's so cute. He's like the cutest thing of cute. Pet hair. I can't take him on a walk. He won't go. Yeah. I mean, why are you out of all this? He's like passed out. He's like, this bed. This is literally like Chloe. She'll sleep on this, and then Cammy will get up on the couch when my dad's asleep, and literally just get up here. So, yeah. They're so cute. I love them. Oh, I gotta feed this pet. Feed for 5. Yep. All about dogs. So cheap. Happy. So yeah, and then we have Heart. Yeah, this grandma over here. Odor unknown. Oh, okay, so I don't know your traits. I know your traits. Your traits are animal friendly, active, artist, and clumsy. Because I can't put cat lover or dog lover, because if I put cat lover, she'll pay attention more to the cats instead of the dogs. If I put dog lover, she'll pay attention more to the dogs and the cats. And she won't really hang out with the dogs, because she's a cat lover. In real life, I actually am a cat lover, so I'm not mean. So if you're a dog lover, I'm sorry. I love cats. But I also love animals, so I mean, there's no like judging wrong or right. So before I miss anything, stop. Okay, well, apparently I'm gonna get dragged. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, fit in, and come on with some more.